This DIY is a great way to make custom scrunchies out of unique patterns or cool fabrics. You're going to need fabric, a hot glue gun, scissors, a cup, hair elastics, and something to measure with. Measure your fabric to be about 22 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. You can experiment with different measurements, but this is what worked best for me. Place your fabric down with its pattern facing up. Fold over one side and place hot glue on the edge of the fabric. Connect both ends and pat them down. It should look something like this. Next, place your fabric tube around the cup and secure it with a hair elastic. Adjust the fabric until the hair elastic is perfectly centered. Fold over one side of the fabric and place glue on the inner edge. Carefully fold over the opposite side onto the glue. Keep gluing and folding until both sides are completely connected. Make sure to take your time so it doesn't get messy. Check for loose spots and then let the scrunchie sit overnight so the glue can completely set. After 24 hours, you can wear your brand new scrunchie.